Finally, we're married! Let's go!
Oh, it's you on the driveway.
Uy, si JF pala yun.
And I just can't
Kamusta? Okay ka lang?
Yeah.
Alam mo, idea ako. So, magtanan na lang tayo.
Diyos ko ngayon ba? Nangawit tayo pang smile kanin.
Oh, I must be dreaming, 'cause I was waiting on you all my life. I know our love is true.
Pigilan mo, pigilan mo.
Paano?
Into you, I'm into you. Loving
Ang hina na ng energy. Oh my gosh.
from the start.
Hi, Janelle. Congratulations. Finally, matutupad na yung pangarap ko.
What are the odds of dating someone who shares the same birthday as me? Meeting you felt like meeting the male version of myself. Everything just feels right. Jump shot!
Into you, I'm
Sana,
into you.
hindi na dinedirect.
Loving you is easy from the start. 'Cause I want to. Into you. Oh, it's you. Loving you is easy from the start. 'Cause I want to.
The good news today, it is official. Mr. and Mrs. Fernando na. Hindi ka na nag-iisa.
I would like to apologize if it took me 7 years to propose. During those years, there was this question na lagi kong tinatanong sa sarili ko. Kaya ko na ba? Given the situation that I was in, it was a really tough one to answer. I had to make sure na if we're going to do it, we're going to do it the right way.
Walang paglagyan ng bagabag sa magulo ng paligid.
You're the most selfless person I know. You're always been so strong and independent.
Ang sandaling napapanatag.
Thank you dahil ikaw yung naging sandalan ko nung panahong nagpapagamot si mama. And nung
Pano'y babago pa.
panahong nawala siya.
Di na maitago. Tila ba walang katapusan ang kapayapa.
My love, as we begin our new life together, I want to give you this gift to honor your mom.
Bawat danla
Uyak.
For you to know and feel that she is walking with you.
laman ng puso.
Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon, it is my great joy and honor to present to you the most beautiful bride.
Pinipili kita makasama sa pagtanda.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause as we welcome Miss Janelle Tupas.
When I met you 8 years ago, it was not love at first sight or butterflies in my stomach. No. Instead, it felt something familiar. Like I had known you forever. I felt at peace. I felt home. Meeting you at the right time and the right moment of my life is just perfect. Maybe it's fate.
I would have made it kung wala. That time, sure.
Sa tuwing tumatapat
A big round of applause as we welcome Mr. RJ Fernando.
sa iyong mukha, ako'y nabibigan. Puso ko'y di mapakali.
I had to make sure na kaya ko man lang matapatan, if not mahigitan yung pagmamahal na binigay sa'yo ng magulang mo. Most especially because Tito raised the bar so high.
Thank you sa lahat. Simula nung bata pa kami hanggang naging kami ni RJ. Yung support nyo sa amin. So, thank you.
Boses mo lamang ang tanging nadidinig.
Thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng advices and sa pag-alaga sa amin. Tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo kapag may mga challenging times tayo, life is short. Life is too short. And I'm extremely fortunate because I will get to spend it with my greatest love and my best friend. I love you.
For the past 8 years, I have seen you grow. I know that you've worked hard and sacrificed a lot. After all you've been through, you deserve all the happiness and great things life has to offer, including me. This time, know that I will always be here for you. You don't need to take it all, my love. Because I will be here to stand by your side in every season of life. Araw-araw, walang iba. Sa piling mo, payapa na, hanggang sa aking huling paghinga, pinipili kita.